What's this doing here? What? Nah, bro. What's wrong with your room? Why is it so dirty, bro?
Bro, I live like this, bro.
You gotta change, bro. You gotta change your. Come on, you gotta change. You gotta change, bro. Make your room clean. You gotta make your room clean. Come on. It's time to renovate.
Yo, what's cooking good looking? I'm over here cleaning my room. It's full of shit.
Yeah, bro. He needs to clean his room.
I'm gonna change like from my current setup to a new table I just got from IKEA.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix him do that.
It's gonna help me.
I'm gonna help him do that.
We're gonna make a lot of videos about this soon, so make sure you hit the bell since it helps us a lot because you guys watch a video and that's why we get shit.
Yeah, bro, that's why we do this shit. Come on.
Let's go, bro.
This for you.
Let's go.
So, guys, at first we're gonna clean this table out here because his PC gonna come to this table, and then we're gonna put that PC in there, and all the books are going to go back.
I'm cleaning. It's not helping me.
No, bro, you have to clean. Shut up.
Guys, we have cleaned the table. As you can see, now we're gonna take this PC apart and put it over here so that it looks good and make use of this table, I guess.
So guys, we have opened the PC and part by part and put it all in this table, and now we are gonna clean that table and then rearrange the PC in here, then put all the books there on that table.
At that point, the setup was pretty much done, but we had a punching bag laying around, and we thought why not put it up there? And we did.
Bring the bag up.
Let's go now.
Yeah, wait, let me pass it. Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yay! Oof.
Bro, it's good grinding hard. As you can see, this is my setup for now. I think I'm gonna need a new remote for that. Plus, I think everything else is good, you know.
Yeah, bro, it looks better than before.
I don't need headphones though. That's the thing.
Yeah, you need to buy one.
I can't play games with speaker, can I? I do have earphones.
Yeah. And if you like that, you're gonna support us, subscribe, like, etc. And if you don't, then
Today we're cleaning my room since it's so dirty and shit.
yeah, bro, he lives like pure fucking degenerate. Why am I mean? Yeah.
And we're doing a lot of video soon, so you should
Soon.
soon.